Deserts are not devoid of life. Certainly, the high temperatures and the lack of rainfall present challenges for living things, but nevertheless, there is abundant life in the desert. There can be trees in some deserts, such as these juniper trees and their juniper berries. In the southwest of the United States and in Mexico, a unique tree known as the Joshua tree can be found, especially in the Mojave Desert, where it grows in large stands. There are a number of plants which have adapted to arid conditions with narrow leaves, or even in the case, say, of Mormon tea, of losing their leaves so that they have less surface area from which water can be lost. There are cactuses and diverse kinds of cactus. Even among one group, the cholla cactuses, there are many kinds which can grow in different habitats within a desert. There are diverse types of yucca plants which have a symbiotic relationship with a specific type of moth. The moth does have its larvae develop in the yucca plant, so it feeds on the plant, but it also is the only way that the plant can be pollinated to create new seeds, so the two species benefit each other. There are diverse plants which produce flowers, although the flowering is often restricted to a time of the year where they are likely to get rainfall, such as March and April. And some seeds stay dormant until after a rainfall, at which point the desert has abundant blooms where many flowers are choosing this moment in which to start the next phase of their life cycle. There are animals which thrive in the desert as well, such as diverse species of insect, spider, and scorpions. There are reptiles which thrive in the desert, such as diversity of lizards and snakes, including some rattlesnakes. There are diverse birds that one can find in the desert. And there are diverse mammals which inhabit the desert, a large diversity of rodents, and then also some larger mammals that could prey on them, such as foxes, coyotes, and mountain lions. Many of these animals, especially the mammals, only come out at night. And so if one were to look for them, one would, during the day, see their burrows, see their feces, and their footprints, which they leave during the night. So while the desert does have a rich diversity of life, much of it is nocturnal.